everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's video, I would like to introduce you to our bikini pattern top, 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗁. 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗁 is an asymmetric reversible bikini pattern with a hole on the front. You also have one that is similar to this one in some ways because it's also asymmetric, which we have launched recently, which is called the Bikinipattern top Sunset. You can watch that intro before you decide if you want to go for the 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗁 top or for the Sunset top. But let me explain you a little bit more about the 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗁 top. So it's a reversible pattern, as I explained you. It has no darts, so we create a little bit of tension below the bust. This is one of the first patterns that I drafted early when I started drafting patterns, so it's one of my first patterns. It's actually one of our best sellers. You have this in sizes for now, sizes extra small to extra large, and of course you have the sew along on how to sew it. As always, you will find the link to the sew along on the pattern description on our store. It's very easy to find, and I hope you also love this pattern. On the back, you have a symmetric top with a wide strap on your shoulder and then a quite wide back, so it will be all around you, very comfortable. You can also wear it as a sports top or to go out if you want. Well, your imagination. Bye, girls!